What if you could run a large language model like LLaMA, Quinn, Kimi, or Gemma completely on your machine with no API key, no cloud cost, and no data leaving your laptop? That's exactly what Ollama lets you do. And in this video, I am going to show you how to get Ollama running on your Windows. If you are a developer who wants to experiment locally, or a data engineer like me who wants to integrate LLM into pipelines without worrying about the rate limit, this is the setup you want. So let's get into it. So what is Ollama? Ollama is an open source tool that lets you download and run LLM locally through a simple CLI and a REST API. Think of it like Docker, but for the large language model. You put a model, you run it, and that's it. It's done. So let's install it. Go to ollama.com. I will put the link in the description. Hit the big download button and select Windows. I will download a .exe installer. Once the download is completed, run the installer. It's a standard Windows installer. Click on install and it will install Ollama on your machine. Ollama will add itself to your system path. Once the installation is complete, you will see a chat window will open. This is basically the Ollama app which you have just installed. You can see a drop down which has the list of models. You can choose any one of the model from here. But I want to install Gemma 3 1B model which is not mentioned in the list. So go back to ollama.com and click on models. Now search for Gemma 3 model and I will choose a small model like Gemma 3 1B. Its size is 815 MB and my machine would be able to run it easily. So I will copy the name and I will open the terminal. Now let's actually pull the model. So I will type Ollama pull Gemma 3 1B. This will download the model. You will see the progress bar. The model is stored locally on your system. Once the download is completed, let's run it. So I will type Ollama run Gemma 3 1B. You will get an interactive prompt right in your terminal. Try to ask it something. For example, explain what a Kafka consumer group is. And there you go, a large language model responding to your queries without internet. You can hit Ctrl D or type /by to exit. Now let's use this large language model like a chat window. So go to Ollama app and select your model from the drop down. And you can ask your question like, give me a Python code to find a palindrome. And here is the output in the chat format. So you are running a large language model on your machine without any internet. That's all it takes for Ollama to be installed and running model locally in your terminal and as a chat. In the next video, I will show you how to call Ollama from Python and wire it into a real data pipeline. So if this sounds useful, subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop a comment if you ran into any issues or if you want me to cover a specific model or use case. See you in the next video. Thank you.